Hey guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be showing to you my application regarding the ETABS model. One of the tool of the ETABS model they have created. The main function of this one is to generate the framing plans from the ETABS model itself. And as you can see, this is the interface of my application. All the application uh, add-ons I am compiling here in my application. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, once you're already connected, you can see the stories, points, frames, areas, and anything, any information that you want to see and need from the ETABS model. As you can see, this is the 3D model. And as you can see, this is already connected using the OpenAI of the ETABS. And you need the ETABS model to open it and to connect. And let's go to the framing generation. And from here, so the application can generate the framing proposal as per the actual section in the ETABS model. And they can generate the legends and maybe the template for the proposal, for the initial phase of the project. So you need to prepare the framing proposal for the client. So this is very convenient. So let's go to the framing tool and the report section. Then just click the framing plans. I need to connect, sorry. I need to connect. By the way, I'm developing this software using the cloud. So I think how many days or months already since I started this project. So as you can see, it's already generated. So it's very easy and you cannot prepare manually your framing proposal to the client. And as you can see on the left side and the right side, it's already there is already a legend corresponding to the section and the color also. Okay, and also, but it's not directly can generate. For example, if you want to create the application like this, it's not easily done or it's not easily can be generated. You need to to try and try until you get this final uh, generated framing plans. Okay, so as you can see, this is okay already for the framing proposal that we need to submit to the client for the costing. This is very nice and enough. And as you can see, there are corresponding color depending on the sections. Okay, and also there's a label. It's very easy to navigate and to identify what's labeled. Yeah, that's how. And you can directly download the AT file, framing plan, and you can send it to the client with the cost estimate. That's all for today, and see you in our next vlog and tutorial. Bye bye.